One of the best things about Cloud Backup is how easy it is to operate. Once you choose the environment you want to back up and click Enable Backup in the menu, it just takes a few minutes in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Pick up a backup destination, either one of the cloud providers or on-prem storage grid. 2. Enter your provider settings. Third step, choose the networking method you prefer. For the fourth step, you need to define backup policy. Here, you can select the labels and retention period, set ransomware protection, and choose an archiving policy. We'll talk more about those options in the next video. For the fifth and the last step, you just need to select the volumes you want to protect. And that's it. You're done. It's so satisfying to see customers easily adopt the service, even those that are doing it for the first time. Cloud Backup is built to work for you. It has a ton of automation behind the scenes, including an automated scheduling mechanism to make sure you never miss a backup. You can even automatically discover new volumes and backup them seamlessly. And if you prefer not to use our beautiful UI, you totally can do that. The entire process can be automated with the APIs. If you would like to deep dive into product demo, just click on the group demo link next to this video.